guys, so today I have a special guest and that would be my mom because I will be cutting her hair short. She just wants to shorten her hair, and of course due to Miss Rona, she couldn't really go to her trusted hairdresser, so she went with her trusted daughter. And also what I would do is not only cut and trim her hair but also dye her hair as well. So this would be kind of like a hair makeover-ish. That's it. I'm just gonna call my mom and let's get started. Alright you guys, so this is my mom. So as you guys can see right here, that's her hair length right there. And she just wants medium length, right mom? Like a shoulder length hair.
No, that's it.
Yeah, here. So that's the hair length that she wants. And also we're gonna be dyeing her hair. Okay, so prior to this, I've been watching a lot of YouTube tutorials on how to cut your hair short. And I am basically just following what I've seen on those tutorials. So I am following specifically the technique on sectioning the hair technique and then from there cutting it short. And also if you guys notice, it's a bit uneven because I'm only now aware that I'm actually, when I cut, I'm angling the scissors upward, so that's why the cut at that point was a bit uneven. But my mom noticed and I noticed, so I was able to correct it. But it was just in the end. And also my mom wanted me to cut her hair really short almost instantly. But I told her that I think it's best that we started it off at this length first because I was not that confident, you guys. This is my first time cutting someone's hair. I have tried on my head mannequin, but cutting a person's hair is way different. And also in here, as you guys can see, I actually sectioned the front part of my mom's hair in the last part and then cut it off. And in this part, she told me to cut the hair even shorter just because she doesn't want the hair to rest on her shoulders, because usually if the hair rests on her shoulders, there's a tendency for her hair to have flyaways. So she told me to cut even more. So once again, I did the whole sectioning technique, and then this is the length that we ended up with. You guys, so this is what it looks like right now. My mama's hair, she actually likes her hair shorter because she doesn't want her hair to touch her shoulders. This is not done yet because we are going to be dyeing her hair and all, but that's what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to be dyeing my mom's hair using this dark brown shade. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna start dyeing my mom's hair at the top, especially on her white hair. So I just dyed that part, and then after that I went ahead and sectioned her whole hair so that the dye would look even on her hair as well. And after that I just let it stay for about 10 minutes and then just wash it off with the conditioner that came with it. And also I really do like this hair dye from Hair Fix because it doesn't take long for the color to take place and then you can easily wash it off. So that's why I went with this. Alright you guys, so I just finished dyeing my mother's hair and her hair is really soft. Do you like your hair, mommy?
Of course.
Yes! I think the only thing that we can work on here is my mom's like volume, because she really likes volume on her hair. So maybe next time I could show you guys how to create parang volume, especially on top right here. But overall, it's really nice. Yeah, so that's what it looks like right there. That's what it looks like right there on the other side. So, and this is what it looks like at the back right here. Yan, ayun. Yeah, I feel like this type of hairstyle is actually the hairstyle, mommy, of one of this Korean girl. Like the Korean hairstyle, they cut their hair short like this. I mean, this is just my first time doing this, and the next time probably I'll have more. I'll learn more techniques on how to cut my mom's hair. But typically, if she wants her hair to be cut, it's usually at this length because she doesn't like it here because the hair, as I've said, it flies away. So yeah, that is it. Yeah. Thank you as well, mommy. Thank you for trusting me. Okay, so that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.